Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys the Bluehost versus Nexcess WordPress hosting and which one you should use. First off the bat, the lowest they have for storage is 15 GB, but their price starts from $21, whereas their basic starts from 10 GB, which is $2.99, let's say $3, but their Choice Plus is literally 40 GB for your SSD, and that is at 545, and this does not even come any close to this one. And so if you want to go for something that is more cost effective, definitely it's Bluehost. Next up, as you can see in features, they have managed WordPress, WooCommerce, Magento, cloud hosting agency, and they also have WordPress, WooCommerce, and then VPS and others. So they don't have a free domain name, but Bluehost do. Both of them gave free SSL. Number of websites, as you can see on Nexcess, it's limited, but on Bluehost is unlimited. And then storage for them is limited, but for Bluehost it's unlimited. Bandwidth same. And the control panel, as you can see, this one, and then money back guarantee, both of them 30 days. And as per performance, as you can see, Nexcess keeps up with heavy traffic, while Bluehost could leave your site inaccessible. And then for security, they have a simpler and more responsive solution. And then for support, as you can see, like literally Bluehost wins this one clearly. And then Nexcess also offers high quality hosting at more affordable prices. As you can see, these are the things. But yeah, this is it, and obviously it depends on what you're going for. But yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.